Many people in Africa are watching what is happening in Congo. And we all know who is behind the war in Congo. UN report showing us that Kagame and Museveni are behind M23 in Congo. But I see many African people, many African countries, many African leaders condemning colonialist UN. You see Europeans are instabilizing Congo to take their resources. You see Congo has so many mineral resources. Yes, we know. But let us be realistic. Let us stop condemning people. Let us condemning ourselves as Africans. What have we done to save ourselves? What have we done as Africans to save ourselves? Nothing. We have done nothing. We are always crying. Just look at our leaders. We know now, right now, UN shows that Kagame and Museveni are behind M23 in Congo. And those Europeans are the one who funds Kagame, are the one who funds M23, and are the ones who funds Tshisekedi in Congo to kill their own. Just look how African leaders, are. Just look at Kagame and Museveni. Just look at them. When you ask them, why are you killing people in Congo? What is the genuine reason they can give you? Nothing. But just because they are greedy, they are selfish, they are corrupt. That's why they are killing people in Congo. They are killing themselves. They are killing their own people. So that they can steal. They are stealing themselves. That is being stealing your things. That is being stealing yourself. Stealing gold in Congo. And killing Congolese to take the resources so that you can become rich. Okay, we know. Europeans are using Kagame and Museveni to instabilize Congo to steal mineral resources. Why is Kagame and Museveni accept those Europeans to be used by them to kill their own people? To kill their fellow Africans? Why? In Africa, we have a problem of greedy, selfish, and corrupt leaders. Just because Europeans give them guns, they can kill, they can be powerful, they can be in power because they have given guns. That's how they can even kill their fellow Africans so that they can stay in power as long as they want. As long as Western countries don't disturb them. They can even kill them. They can even kill their own people. Let us stop blaming Western countries. Japan was colonized. China was colonized. India was colonized. Dubai was colonized. But those are countries every African admires to go to look for a green pasture. But how do they manage? How do they manage to work for their countries? Just look at African leaders. They are so rich more than their country. They are so rich more than their people. Their people are dying of hunger, but for them they are so rich to the extent that they own each and everything in their country. They own every mineral resources to their country. All mineral resources in Africa are in hands of their leaders, are in hands of their so-called presidents, useless presidents of Africa. Just look at dictators in Africa, how they treat their people, how their countries are so much in poverty, how their people are dying of hunger, dying of diseases, yet we call ourselves rich continent. Do you want to convince me that Western people come to Africa and steal our resources without the concern of our leaders? I can't accept that. Our leaders are the one behind the atrocities, the killings in Africa. Just because they want power, just because they are selfish, just because they are greedy. Congolese are dying like cockroaches. Not even in Congo. Even Even Uganda in my country, look at Uganda in my country. We have gold, we have oil, but Uganda have never benefited from those resources. Those resources are owned by the Museveni and his people. The people in power are the ones owns those resources. But the common citizen, the common people, the common person of Africa cannot even gain in those resources. But the leaders themselves, just to keep them in power, just to be powerful, to buy guns. African mineral resources are being sold on black market in Western countries. But who sell those resources there? Our leaders, not Western countries, not Western people. Our own leaders are the one who take those resources on a black market. Not African people, not Western people, but our own leaders. But what have we done? Just look at the poverty in Africa. Africa, we have everything. But why are we poor? Because of our selfish, greedy, useless leaders we have in Africa. And now they can stand and call themselves Pan-Africanists. You see, we are Pan-Africanists because they have guns. They can kill each and everything in Africa. For them killing, that's the only qualification they can give to a person to call themselves a Pan-Africanist. That is nonsense. That is nonsense. It cannot even make any sense that you have to kill your people to be a Pan-African. Does that make any sense? Now in Uganda, we have a debt of 100 millions, of billions and billions of money in MIF, in World Bank. But Uganda are sinking in poverty. They are dying of hunger. They are dying of poor medication. They are dying of poor education system. Yet we have gold, we have so-called gold, we have oil. But what have we gained as Ugandans? We have such a debt. Ugandans are dying of debts. But our leaders are so richer than the country, are so rich than the people they lead. They are the one who owns each and everything in Africa. And they stand on their legs and start calling themselves, you see, Pan-Africanists. You see, we are Pan-Africanists. That cannot make any sense. Many countries have been colonized. We know we have been colonized. We have what? But even Japan was colonized. Even China was colonized. And now many dictators in Africa, because they know West, they have chased them away. Now they are running to China. They are now bringing China again to colonize us again. Westerners was using them. They was busy using them to take our resources. And now, just because they are tired of them, many of dictators in Africa, they are now running to Chinese to come again to colonize us, just because they are greedy in power, just because they are selfish, just because they are corrupt. That's why African people, we are dying like cockroaches. But let us stop blaming Western. You see Western, you see we were colonized, you see what? Yes, all of that was happened 100 years ago. But what next? Are we going to still living like that? Because we were colonized, because we are not the one who was colonized. Many countries was colonized, but they are now successful. But what happened in Africa? Just look at our leaders. Just look at leadership in Africa. Look at it. Because European countries give them power, give them guns to kill their own people so that they can stay in power as long as they want. They can even surrender the resources of the continent, the resources of Africans to the West, because they are going to get guns to kill their own people so that they can stay in power. Let us stop blaming colonialists. Let us stop blaming Europeans. Let us blame ourselves, because even we African people, we are exactly like our leaders, because we are the ones who give them power and authority to do each and everything they are doing